Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra Akhidenor. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and thanks for stopping by, and do not forget to like and leave a comment and turn on the notification bell. And for my returning subscribers, the Sandy watchers, God bless you all and do have a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for your support. So today I'll be making okra soup and I'll be showing you guys how I do it, the one pot style, as I'm cooking everything in one pot. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. So for this soup, you need lots of condiments. You need lots and lots of meat to make it really nice. As you can see, I have bomo. I chopped them different sizes, big, small. I have goat meat. I have prawns. I have hake and one one tilapia fish there, and I have periwinkles, and I have snails. You know, I like my snails small so I can throw it in my mouth once. I have to bite. I also have uziza leaves. I like uziza leaves because it gives it one flavor. And my dried fish. I also have dried smoked hake, and my stockfish, dried stockfish. I have okras. I'm going to be chopping them and grating them, so two styles. And I have my seasoning, crayfish, salt, and also shrimps, smoked shrimps, and my peppers. I have tatashe. I have scotch bonnet, red and yellow scotch bonnet. The yellow one has this taste. It's really nice. It gives it a nice flavor. So I'm going to be, and also lastly, palm oil. Yeah. So first, in a pot, I'm going to pour my meat, my goat meat, my pomo, my stockfish, and my smoked prawn in one pot. And I'm going to add just about 2 cups of water. You don't need so much water for this soup. So here you see I blended my peppers. I blended all the tatashe, the scotch bonnet, the red and yellow. I blended them, and I also kept some I'll slice. So now I'm adding my seasoning. Salt goes in and the crayfish goes in. Now I'm adding my water, just enough to cook the meat. You don't need so much water for this soup, just enough to cook the meat. I like it this way because my the meat gets to taste really good. Like I like when I'm eating food, like any soup or stew, like when I take a bite from the meat, I taste goodies, as in I really like my food that way. So you see my meat is cooked. I added my fish to cook. So after cooking my fish for some minutes, I brought them out so that it doesn't scatter in the pot. So you can see I took it out of the pot to put them later. Now I'm adding my snails and my periwinkle. They cook fast, so you don't need to cook it with the meat at the beginning. So you can put them last before adding the okra and the oil. Now my fish, my smoked fish goes in. So for this soup, you can use any kind of meat you like. You can put anything you want to put. That's why they call it designer okra. You can put anything. My husband calls it Versace okra. You can put anything, throw in anything you like. So now my prawns are going in. Actually, they go in last, not the periwinkle and the snail. Sorry, because they cook really fast also. So I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes before adding my palm oil. 2 cooking spoons of palm oil. You don't need so much. So I'm going to add my palm oil now. I'm just going to stir to blend it all together, then cover to cook for another 3 minutes. So now we're adding the okra. So I'm going to add the grated okra first into the pot. I'm going to stir these, stir properly, stir until it blends in very well. So now I'm adding the chopped okras. I prefer it this way so you get different sizes of the okra when you're taking the soup, so it doesn't just look like okra and stew. So you get to see what's that word now? Sorry, the word escaped me, guys. I can't remember the word. You shall get to see okra in your food. Like you see something, you're eating something, and when you're taking every bite or every spoon, or you get a bite of some crunchy, divine flavor, sweet. Oh god, this soup is too sweet too. So now I'm gonna stir and blend it all in. So our soup is almost ready. It's really fast. This way is really fast. Just throw everything all in one pot and all the juices stays inside the pot. So now I'm adding my uziza leaves. These leaves, they are kind of hot, so you don't need so much, just a little. They are hot and sweet at the same time. It gives your food a nice taste. It's good for plenty things. You can use it for yam porridge, you can use it for your soups, you can use it for so many things. Pepper soup. So now I'm adding seasoning again. Just 2 seasoning cubes now I'm adding. So and I'm gonna stir this well. Now I'm adding my fish. And lastly, I'm going to add some sliced scotch bonnets just to give it color, make it look really nice. You can see how nice it's looking, guys. Ooh. It's just to give it color. You can avoid it if you're not a pepper fan, but if you're a pepper fan like me, this is really, it gives it another kick, man. So now our soup is ready. So you can eat this with any swallow of your choice. You can even eat it like this for the Weight Watchers. You can eat this like, you don't need any swallow, just eat this and you're full. Like this is a meal on its own. You don't need anything else to go with it. But if you want to use swallow, good. But if you want to eat it like this, it's fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video.